Hello everyone, you are welcome to our English lesson. Today is our theme, countable and uncountable nouns. Okay, let's start our lesson. Countable nouns are nouns which we can count. They have a singular and a plural form. For example, one chair, two chairs, three chairs. We put a or an before countable nouns in the singular. A plus consonant sound, a hat, a dog, and plus vowel sound, an hour, an umbrella. We put some before countable nouns in the plural. There are some people in the living room. Uncountable nouns are nouns which we cannot count. They only have a singular plural. These include food, cheese, meat, salt, pepper, butter, bread, and etc. Liquids, coffee, milk, tea, water, lemonade, and etc. Materials, gold, iron, glass, silver, paper, wood, and etc. Subjects, history, chemistry, and etc. Sports, tennis, football, and etc. Language, English, Spanish, etc. Abstract nouns, information, knowledge, love, happiness, beauty, advice. Other, hair, money, and etc. Uncountable nouns are followed by a verb in the singular. We do not use an or an with uncountable nouns. We can use some. Exercise 3. Read the theory and fill in a, an, or some. Write countable or uncountable. For example, some milk, uncountable. Exercise 2. Choose the correct word. The lesson is over. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.